Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to add a table in Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To insert a table in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, create a new design or open your existing design. Once the design editor opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar under Elements, type Table and press Enter. You'll see several table styles under the Charts or Tables section. Now, click on a table design you like, and it will be added to your canvas. Click on the table to select it. You'll see options to add or remove rows and columns. To edit the text, simply click on any cell and start typing. You can customize the cell color, border style, text size, and alignment using the top menu. Drag the corners of the table to resize it or reposition it anywhere in your design. You can also duplicate or delete rows or columns by right-clicking on the table and choosing the appropriate option. Now your table is ready to use as part of your Canva design.